55 million visa holders. The Trump administration just announced that every single one of them is now under review for deportable offenses. Supporters call it common sense. Critics call it a witch hunt. Let's cut through the spin.
The State Department is now looking into all 55 million U.S. visa holders. The State Department is telling the Associated Press that they're all subject to, quote, continuous vetting.
The Associated Press confirmed Thursday. We review all available information as part of our vetting, including law enforcement or immigration records, or any other information that comes to light after visa issuance indicating a potential ineligibility. Translation? A valid visa no longer means you're safe. It means you're on probation.
These are spouses, these are people with jobs, people who have been here for years, law-abiding, God-fearing, family people, and now they're going to have somebody that they don't know reviewing everything, every aspect, calling them back in, did you really this or that? It makes them automatically second or third class citizens. It's a terrible, terrible idea. It's a waste of time. Is this the way you're going to fight? These are the, supposedly this is going to make the nation safer as you advertise in your successful campaign for a second term. This is the way you reward the people who wanted you to crack down on the worst and the most violent by going to their neighbors and saying, papers, please. I think it's really pathetic.
That was Geraldo Rivera torching the plan as government overreach. Attorney Haley Blitzstein warns, even if your visa expired yesterday and you got pulled over for speeding today, you can be charged as overstaying and placed in immigration court even for 1 day late. So your new tourist visa comes with a ticking clock, one error, and you're toast.
Comes at a time when Marco Rubio is making an announcement that the U.S. will stop giving work visas for commercials truck drivers. Posting on X, the increasing number of foreign drivers operating large tractor-trailer trucks on U.S. roads is endangering American lives and undercutting the livelihood of American truckers.
Senator Marco Rubio seized on a tragic case, an illegal truck driver's deadly crash, to push for banning foreign trucking visas entirely.
The Trump administration is looking for any violation that could lead to deportation.
Even after you're inside the U.S., you're not safe. Reuters reports, visas can be revoked at any time if there are signs of potential ineligibility. It's not just entry, it's perpetual probation.
Justice Department that's combing through every single thing they've ever said on social media to make sure that it aligns with American values, even though we can get upset or criticize Trump as American citizens that do love the country, but someone who comes from Asia can't, it's just kind of, why not? We can criticize anybody.
Oh, because they're not a citizen.
I know, but we can still visit. We can say, I don't like that part of this. I like this part, but I still want to go visit this beautiful place because guess what? Leadership changes. Ideas change, people grow. There's different, that's the whole point of a democracy. It doesn't mean I hate this country, I don't want to come here, I don't want to learn about it, I'm not interested and excited to help it grow and develop. It just means I don't like that policy that you did. I mean, that's fair, that's the America we live in.
Here's the brutal truth. Charlie Kirk says the panic proves the left fears desirable immigrants, not less immigration, but smart immigration. Geraldo Rivera calls it a witch hunt against families who followed the rules. Blitzstein warns 55 million reviews could send thousands to immigration court for days-old mistakes. The uncomfortable fact? 55 million people just lost their sense of security. While Washington plays papers, pleased with 55 million lives, the media yawns. Don't let them control the spin. Smash like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and join TFN where truth fights narrative every damn day.